Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. And so today we are going to have a look at the mini extension pole from the GoPro, which is called a Shorty, and it also has a tripod, as you can see over here. So let's have a look at the box first and then we'll have a look at the main product. So over here it has a picture of the mini extension pole. On the side there's nothing. On the back it says like it extends from 4.6 inch up to 8.9 inches, and it has a mini extension pole and tripod, and it shows the pictures of how it is. So it retails for around 3,900 rupees in Indian currency, and that's it. So let's open the box and have a look at it first. So that's it guys, nothing else. Over here is the mini extension pole Shorty. It is really very small and nice and handy for an everyday use. So we'll have a look at it in a minute. So there's nothing else in the box. So let's keep the box aside and have a look at the main product. So here is the GoPro branding, minimal, and it has got a thumb screw of metal, which is like something new which GoPro has done. So every time they include a plastic one thumb screw. So this is a nice thing. So now it extends into 3 parts, and this is how long it goes, and it also extends as a tripod. That's how it will go. And if you want to make any time lapse or use it as a stick, and if you want to just open as a tripod, that's how it will look. So now let's put the GoPro in and have a look at it. Sorry guys for the headphone users. So here is it, how it looks after attaching the GoPro. So it's really very nice, small for clicking selfies and using it for small distance if you don't want to use the long poles and all. So here is it, and this is how long it is. So if you want some extension for your pictures and all, so it's good really. So that's how it goes. So this is really very nice, small and sweet. So guys, that was my unboxing and overview of the GoPro Shorty, the mini extension pole. So let me know how it is in the comment section below, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.